Hi guys, come with me to get hair extension. I am taking you guys to the salon to get extensions with me for the first time ever. We are doing keratin tips, and my very good friend and amazingly talented hairstylist Sophie McGinnis is going to be putting them in for me, and she's gonna kind of walk us through, and I'm just gonna hang out with you guys during my appointment. So let's go. Come with me to get extensions. We're already working on it. Look how good. Here is the queen herself. Hi! Extension queen. Oh my gosh, look. She's a vlogger now. Hi. This is the regular leaf. Oh my god, I'm already like freaking out. Like obsessed, right? Yeah. It's so soft. It is like Barbie hair though, you're right. Yeah. It's not lifted.
As soon as you wash it,
it's gonna be like normal. Yeah.
Okay, so what Sophie is doing here is she is essentially taking tiny strands of hair and using heat to bond the keratin extension to my actual hair. So this whole process can take quite a bit of time. For us, it took about 4 hours, but we really took our time. It really just depends on how much you're getting.
The light in here is so good. So this is where we are. So good. Wow, so much light. Okay, we've moved on to the second side. I am eating Carrot Express. We are just settled into the salon. We're gonna be here for quite some time. Another 6 hours? No, just kidding. I'm in it to win it. I'm in it for the long haul, however long it takes. She said I would be a good football coach because I'm in it for whatever it takes.
I feel like that was like very motivational.
Thank you. I aim to motivate. Barely can tell. Sick.
That camera makes you look like amazing. Like that's insane.
Right?
I mean, you do look like that, but like
no, but it's the light.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, the camera looks really good. It makes you look good. My little Barbie hair.
The back of my head definitely took the longest. We put the most amount of keratin tips in the back, so yeah, took a while.
Update. It just keeps getting better.
I know, it's getting better and better and better.
Wait, hold on. What? Hold on, we're gonna do a timer.
Okay, get her. See, it's fun.
What?
You already know that you're gonna be so addicted.
Like, I'm already addicted.
I know.
So, what?
I'm not even done yet.
What the hell? Are my dreams coming true? It looks like my hair.
Yeah.
That's the craziest part.
I love the colors that we picked.
Perfect. It's literally the exact, like, look. Crazy.
It's so good. Yeah.
Okay, wow.
A blessing and a curse.
A blessing and a curse,
no,
yeah.
Seriously now, like,
you can't go
you're
back.
gonna be so addicted to it.
Yeah.
Even if, let's say you didn't even want it for length.
Yeah.
Like, just want it for like thickness. Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we'll do a check-in. I feel like we're getting somewhere. Okay, are we done?
Wait.
She's done. She's done! Wow, okay, what time is it? It's 4:19, so that took 4 hours. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's so good.
For a full head.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah, me too.
Amazing. I'm gonna be flipping my hair so much now.
You're gonna be,
You have no idea.
always hold the section that you're brushing. Start from the bottom, come up. You're gonna be able to feel like, you know, sort of going through it. Does that make sense? But as long as you're holding and not just coming from the top.
So I gotta brush my hair all off.
Like Marsha Brady. Think you're Marsha Brady.
Okay, I'm Marsha Brady brushing my hair. Marsha.
Marsha.
Wait, look how pretty it looks. Yeah, with
cannot go to bed with wet hair.
Oh, I don't do that ever. Yeah.
Like, you will be in here and you will have a huge mess.
Okay. Okay. No going to bed with wet hair.
Yeah. Like,
I'm literally gonna be like this all the time.
all the time.
Okay, let me stand back. Yay! Okay, hi. So it has officially been, about 24 hours exactly that I have now had my hair extensions in. Once again, these are keratin tips specifically. So I just kind of wanted to give some feedback about the first 24 hours that I've had these. Again, this is my first time ever having hair extensions, so it is a learning process. Obviously, the way that they look is, I'm overjoyed. Like, this is completely insane. The color match Sophie did is actually unbelievable. Like, so what we did was we got 2 different colors of Bellamy keratin tips, so that we got one color that was like a little bit lighter of a blonde and another color with more dimension. They're both really similar, but we found that that was pretty much how we got my exact hair color of my natural and highlighted hair. It just looks really, really normal. So for example, so this, yeah, you can see this because I just straightened it. This is my real hair color. This is extension. It's like, how do you even tell what's real and what's not? So the results are absolutely phenomenal. Now I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the practicality. Has been only 24 hours, and I'm not gonna lie, my scalp is sore. My scalp is quite sore. It is a little uncomfortable. So the majority of my tips, I can show you, are in this region, like where my palm is. This is where the majority of them are. So last night when I got home, I went to go lay down and ouch, laying down on the back of my head. It's a little bit less now, but last night was like, ow. And granted, Sophie told me, she was like, when you lay on your head, it's gonna be a little weird. It's gonna take some time to get used to. Your body will adjust to it. First few nights, just bear with it. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable. Boy, was she right. On the side, so I have some here and here, so it is still on the sides, but the sides barely hurt. So I like laid down on the side and it like kind of hurt a little bit, but then it really went away. And by the time I woke up in the middle of the night, barely had any sensation. Like, it barely felt weird. It felt like super normal. It felt like laying on my actual head. The back of my head definitely is going to be taking some getting used to, just because there's so much there. But I was like so scared at first. I was like, oh my God, am I gonna have to get rid of them? She was like, if you need to get rid of them, come in, we're taking them out, like, it's fine. But she was like, just give it like 3 days. So this is day 1. So I will update you guys in 3 days and let you know how the scalp is feeling. Also, for context, I don't have a sensitive scalp. I work as a model. I get my hair done a lot. People pull and yank my hair all the time. They brush it like crazy. I don't care. I'm unaffected. I guess I have a little bit tougher of a scalp. I remember growing up when we would like, you know, like growing up when you're kids and you're hanging out with other girls and you're like brushing each other's hair. Like, I've had some friends who are so sensitive. They have the most sensitive scalp. You know, it's like you brush their hair, they're like, oh, they can barely brush their hair. Their scalp is so sensitive. That is not me at all. I have no sensitivity in my scalp. So with that said, it is sore. It is sore. So if you are someone with a sensitive scalp, I also am someone, I never have my hair up. This is also the first time I've ever had anything permanent put in my hair. I don't even like having my hair in a ponytail because I don't like how it feels. So it's definitely going to be something to get used to. Also, the weight of the hair is something for my scalp to adjust to because I'm not used to the weight of it. So it's pulling a little bit. But that is my experience so far. I am afraid to shower because you can't get the bonds wet for 72 hours. So it's been 24. Got 48 hours to go. Other than that, the hair looks so like I'm sick. Like, look at this. Look at this. And something interesting also was I feel like, so this is like a shock to my system. I'm like, this is way too long. Everyone has said it's not too long. And they would fucking tell me, like my mom would tell me. My grandmom also would tell me. They were like, no, honestly, it doesn't like look too long. It's probably just that you're not used to it. It's like kind of a shock to your system. That's why I'm like, oh my God, we have to cut this. No. I am about to go and meet one of my girlfriends for sushi for dinner. So I'm gonna go do that and show off my new hair, and I will catch up with you guys in the next couple of days and update you on how my hair has been. Quick check-in. Today is day 2. It is Monday. I had this done Saturday. My scalp is way less sensitive and way less sore than it was the past couple of days. Last night sleeping on it felt a lot better. It's still not 100% comfortable. It didn't hurt anywhere near as much as it did the night before, which is good news. It still looks fire. I've been brushing it a ton with a boar bristle brush. And yeah, not much of an update today, but thought I would just touch base. So definitely the scalp sensitivity is improving a lot and it doesn't hurt as much. So hopefully only up from here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, I was FaceTiming with my mom and she was like, Megan, you have got to stop touching your hair. My mom's like, you're like, and I'm like, I can't help it. Sorry, it's so dirty in here. But anyways, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Surprise, it's actually not tomorrow. It is 2 weeks later. So it has been officially 2 weeks that I have had my extensions in. I have to say, my hairdresser Sophie was right. They are a blessing and a curse because I don't know how I can live without these now. They are a part of me now. They feel like my hair. I'm used to it as my hair. My scalp no longer is sensitive at all. I can roll around, lay on my scalp, and it's totally and completely fine. I am so happy with these extensions. I highly recommend anyone to get keratin tips. Just remember the first couple days I was definitely uncomfortable. My scalp hurt a lot, but that has gone away 110%. My scalp feels completely normal. I can lay any which way, like the bonds no longer hurt. I washed my hair about 4 times since I've gotten them done, so that's twice per week. Each time's been honestly pretty easy. I know people have talked about using sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. I am using sulfate-free conditioner and I've been alternating between regular Kerastase and then a sulfate-free shampoo just because I love the Kerastase, and Sophie was like, it's not the biggest deal, but the hair's been great. I've been wearing it in a braid every single night, or I've worn it up as a bun. I didn't get them cut. I did not get them cut, so this is how long they are, okay? I didn't get them cut or anything. I know, I'm sorry. I like also just woke up, so I haven't done my hair, and I wore them in braids last night, so that's why they are a little bit funky looking. I need to wash it and straighten it. Wish me luck, but anyways, I hope that this video was really very informative for anyone thinking about getting hair extensions, anyone who has hair extensions, anyone who has any sort of questions about hair extensions, feel free to drop them below in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, we'll get a thumbnail.